Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the very long awaited house tour. I'm so excited to finally be filming this. As many of you probably already know, we have been planning and building a new home for, gosh, it's probably been 2.5 years now. So we are finally in. So I'm so excited to be able to show you guys. I've had that many requests to take you through the house before we decorate it and everything. So here we are. So this is the front. This whole section here is there's going to be a driveway and stuff. We haven't done any landscaping or fencing or anything. It's basically just the house all on its own. It's like a kind of like a French provincial Hampton style kind of house, I guess you could say. We're so excited. So when you walk in the front door, this is the view that you get. The first room on the right hand side here is the study or the office. Oh look, there's Brandon working on the house. So yeah, basically like that's just like a study office room kind of a thing. It's fairly big. We did build quite a big house. We've been working and saving all of our pennies for years to be able to achieve this. So it's so crazy exciting. And then on the left hand side, you've got like a little cloakroom. Don't mind the floors. They are absolutely filthy at this point. We've got beautiful French oak wooden floors. But we did install and sand and paint the skirting boards around the bottom, and so that there was dust everywhere at the time that I was filming this. So yeah, but yeah, so we're in like the little cloakroom at the minute, and then right in front of me here there is like a powder room with like a toilet and a sink and things like that, so that you can go to the toilet downstairs, obviously. And then you come out of here and on the right hand side is a formal lounge. Now we are installing a fireplace on that far wall there. That's what you saw. You come through into the dining room. We've got the kitchen, and then it's like a family kind of living room here in the void. Yeah, it's all very open, spacious, lots of huge windows. My entire life, I've just loved lots of light. I hate closed curtains. I hate darkness. So I was like, yeah, give me all the windows you possibly can, please. So yeah, ahead of us here is the formal lounge. So this is going to be like a sitting room. As I said, we're installing a beautiful wrought iron fireplace here. Brandon's building a mantle. We've looked at many mantle pieces and didn't really like any of them. So we are going to be DIYing it. These batten lights here, any batten lights that you see throughout the house, they are all going to be chandeliers. So yeah, this is sort of just like a formal kind of sitting area. How gorgeous are the floors? Oh, I was so nervous about the color of the floors. I don't know if you saw my vlogs over on my vlog channel when we were going through this process, but I was like dark floors, light floors, dark floors. I couldn't figure it out, but I'm so glad that we went dark. They just look so good. And this here is the kitchen. We went for kind of like a cottagey kind of Frenchy kind of kitchen. There is going to be 2 chandeliers hanging from the roof just above the kitchen bench here where those batten lights are again. And the kitchen does extend kind of out this side. But yeah, love the French cabinetry. We went for all white with kind of like we've got stone benches, but they're kind of like a marble white and grey kind of pattern. They're really pretty. Then beside the kitchen, and look at all this crap, like this is us halfway through moving in. This is the theatre room. So Brandon had this fitted out with like, you know, speakers in the roof and a projector and a big projector screen and things like that. We haven't got any furniture. Oh my gosh, it's Georgie's red ducky. Oh, she loves that toy. But yeah, it's basically like a big theatre room for entertaining other people. We love having the family around for movie nights and things like that. So that's why we put this in. Oh gosh, the floor is filthy, isn't it? This is kind of like a closer look at the floorboards. Aren't they beautiful? They're French oak. They're herringbone, so they're kind of like parquetry. They're solid wood floors, really durable, really hardy, really nice. So now we're in the room next to the kitchen. This is, I guess we're kind of calling it the void, but it is a room that extends all the way to the second story. So there's these big, massive, beautiful windows that extend all the way from the bottom story to the second story. There's just so much light that comes in there. It's exactly what I wanted. Then around the other side of the kitchen, we have kind of like a second kind of mini kitchen. It's kind of like a butler's kitchen, I guess you could say. There's a sink, there's cabinetry, there's bench tops. Brandon's currently installing tiles on that wall. It's going to look exactly the same as this wall when it is finished, but we decided after kind of like it was too late to install them, so we just did them ourselves. So all the cabinetry is the same in here. That's where the fridge goes, and then you kind of look back out through the kitchen and all of the windows. Look, it's my little sister feeding my new baby little niece. Oh, she's so beautiful. And then here we have the laundry. The laundry is really big and spacious. Lots of natural light comes through the window here. We also had a drying room installed. It's all white with like marble tiles and things. These are porcelain tiles. Can't remember what size they are, but they're really, really big, and then kind of like herringbone white tiles as the splashback. But to my left here, this is a drying room. It's actually a room where you hang your clothes in to dry. Oh, hey, vacuum cleaner, how you doing? But yeah, you hang your clothes up to dry, so that's really cool. So back through here, there's the pantry that I've just walked past there. Brandon's working in there on the skirting board at the minute. This is the kitchen bench that I was talking about before. I just wanted to show you a little bit closer up. Really light. It's all very white. Yeah, I wanted it kind of like neutral because then you can dress it up with colors, which I think is cool. So then you walk back down towards the front of the stairs. Now the carpet that is on the stairs is only temporary. It's just been loosely tacked on there because what we are actually going to be doing is ripping that off after we're finished moving our furniture in, because if we did actually chip those stairs, you know, like, I don't know, if we were carrying like a chest of drawers or something up the stairs, if we dropped it and chipped the stairs, there's basically no coming back from that. So they've, yeah, loosely tacked the carpet on there to protect them, while we move in. So we're walking up the stairs now. This is the upstairs rumpus room, or another lounge room, I guess you could say. There's so much natural light in this house, I can't even deal. It's absolutely amazing. And that balustrade right there in front of you, you peer, like if you look over that, you look down into that room next to the kitchen. We're going to put lots of big chandeliers on the roof there, probably put a TV there or something. There are 3 spare bedrooms upstairs, and then also our master bedroom as well, and that's kind of like what it looks like when you look down. So yeah, this is the rumpus room. I'm not too sure what to do with this yet. I'm going to be filming like room transformations and decorating videos because I have just got a huge passion for that. I love it. I love to like refurbish furniture and just buy old things and paint them and make them new. You can literally buy the nicest dresses and tables and things like that for like $20, paint them up, and they look like they're worth like, oh, heaps. It's just amazing. So yeah, all of these spare bedrooms look the same. It's essentially just like a big square room. Each of them have got a walk-in wardrobe and also a private ensuite. Obviously, we're not going to use the ensuites or anything. I'm pretty much going to be using these rooms for my studio or my office and things like that. But basically the house evaluation people and the real estate people and things like that, they were like, look, better for resale if you do include the ensuites, keep them there. So we were like, yeah, okay, we'll just keep the ensuites. So yeah, I've got 3, there's 3 spare bedrooms along that right hand side, and then you come into our master bedroom. Again, French windows and so much natural light. It's exactly what I've wanted. I just love sunlight. I love to lie in the sunlight. I want things bright and white and clean, and sunlight, you just can't be unhappy when there's sunlight, can you? I honestly think that you can't. We're getting feature lights there, but I actually hate, there's a join in the center of the room in the carpet. They're actually coming back to replace that because they've just done a shitty as job of that. Our walk-in wardrobe isn't finished. It's basically just got 1 shelf in it. Brandon is going to be fitting it out entirely with cabinetry and cupboards. To do it through our builder, it was going to cost way too much money when Brandon could build it himself, like the actual internal guts of the cupboard, I guess you could say. And then we're going to get beautiful French white glass doors put on the front. And then this here is our master ensuite. So again, feature lights. We're going to have a feature light above each of the sinks. And then these mirrors here, we're going to have one of them above each of the sinks attached to the wall. We just haven't got there yet. But again, lots of natural light, very bright, very white. I just cannot believe that we have finally done this. It's been such a long process. We've worked with different builders. Originally the initial builder that we were going with, it just didn't work out. And then this builder, it's been about 2 years. So it's just been the longest process. Brandon never puts the bloody toilet seat down. Honestly, boys, what is the deal? And then, yeah, I'm just going to quickly show you the patio. But, honestly, I've cried so much. I've cried like literally every day. I can't believe that we are finally moving in. It's been so stressful and such a long process, but yes. I hope you guys enjoyed the empty house tour. I can't wait to take you on the journey of decorating it and buying furniture and things like that. Let me know what you want to see. But yes, this is our new baby. Thank you for all of the requests to see this video, guys. I love you so much, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.